Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at a brand new 2023 Sea Ray SPX 190. This boat is here and available at our store in Rogers. Taking a look at the exterior here, we have full stainless steel components with the cleats and the rub rail here and a full Sea Ray hull. Got a bimini top up there as well. And then taking a look at the stern here, nice sea decking right here. Plenty of room on the swim platform. This boat does have the manual step that does go down in the water. And then we also have a 4-step telescoping stainless steel ladder to get on and off the boat. This boat is powered by a 200 Mercruiser. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. Welcome inside this SPX 190. As we walk into the boat, we have a nice entryway inside, which is really nice so you're not stepping on your upholstery getting in and out of the boat. Underneath here is the engine compartment. Again, this is a 4.5 liter 200 Mercruiser with plenty of storage on the other side. We've got the stone upholstery, and then also the gray Infinity woven vinyl flooring. This is snap-in, so it's easy to take on and off when you're trying to clean underneath it. Underneath here, we do have a nice storage locker to put all of your belongings on the boat when you hop on. And then taking a look at the seats here, we do have the captain and co-captain seating set up with the 2 bucket seats with flip-up bolsters. And I forgot to mention back here, one of my favorite parts of this boat is the insulated draining cooler here. And then also a spot to store your dock lines, fenders, and shoes. Again, this boat has all stainless steel components from the bimini top to the grab handles and cup holders. And then up at the helm, we have the standard tacks and gauges here. This is powered by Fusion Audio. It's great sound quality on this boat. And then we have the tilt steering wheel here. Walking towards the bow, we've got a nice recessed glove box here, and then more storage. And then up here in the bow, we have the bow filler cushion, which makes it a complete sun pad when you're hanging out and enjoying the water here in the lakes of Minnesota. And you can always take this out and store it as well if you want a complete center walk through to the bow with seating on either side. This boat is located at our store in Rogers. Feel free to give us a call, make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.